Love comes in different colors in 1,000 little forms. Some hearts beat for each other, keeping laughter in their storms. Some hold tight to childhood memory like a mother's gentle touch. Love is quiet, love is loud, love is everything and such. 'Cause everybody loves something, someone, somewhere, somehow. Some love their home, their country. Some love whiskey here and now. Some fall for sweet dark chocolate. Some melt in music's art. But me, I love the open road. It's where I leave my heart. It's where I leave my heart. Love shines in every story, in the footsteps people chase. Some dream of flags and cities, some are one familiar face. But I hear the roads calling softly like a whisper in the breeze. And my soul begins to wander every time I feel at ease. Oh, everybody loves something, the big, the small, the true. Some love mornings filled with sunshine. Some love nights of smoky blue. Some love kisses, some love freedom. Some love tales in every part. But me, I love to travel. It's the rhythm of my heart. Yeah, me, I love to travel. That's my favorite kind of art. Put me on a winding highway or a quiet mountain lane. Give me sea winds, give me cities, give me sun or give me rain. 'Cause love is more than holding someone, it's the spark that makes you start. And for me the road is always where I find